Hey guys, Greg with the G-Bogger Adventure Chronicles. Welcome to the channel. We are up in Canada. Getting ready to go out to a remote cabin and go fishing. Check this out. Hey, here's everybody, and there's our plane that we're going to take out there, and there's our pilot, maybe. Then we got my son Michael over there, my other son Kevin right there, my mother, hello, Pat, and then my grandson Josh, then my daughter Amanda, hi, right there, and of course myself. So anyways, we're gonna board the plane and then we'll catch up with you once we get to the cabin. See you there. Well, hey guys, we are at the cabin. Right behind me here, that is Solace Lake, which is where the cabin is located. And I'll kind of give you a show around of the property right here. And this is nice, so we got a bunch of boats all over the place that we can use. And right up there, that's a newer cabin that they built a few years back. And then right there, that old rickety shack, that's the cabin that we are staying in. This is the cabin that my father and his friend, Bob, who's a Canadian, built. It's kind of cool because they would snowmobile everything all in the wintertime, just pile it up out here, and then come in the spring, summer, and fall, and they actually built the cabin. And they were actually cool enough to put in a sauna. So we've actually got a sauna down there too, which is really kind of cool. So yeah, it's been several years since I've been here. I believe it was 6 since I've actually been here, and things have definitely changed. So anyways, let me give you a kind of a walkthrough in the cabin. It's very rustic. So basically what they've done is this little section of the cabin from here to here was the very first cabin that they built. And then right after they built that, they needed more room, so then they added on that section back there, which we call the bunkhouse over there. And then also, Bob, my dad's buddy, he built this little shack here. And it was not attached, it was just a separate little shack. And that's where he would stay. And then between here, they actually built just a storage area. So you've basically got 1, 2, 3, 4 sections that they've added on. So anyways, let's go inside. Okay, so we're inside the cabin, and we'll start in the bunk room first. So back in here, this is where the bunkhouse is. It's kind of messy right now because we're trying to get things organized. But yeah, we got queen bed down with a twin bed on top. We have 2 twin bed bunks right here. And then we do have a queen bed down over here, and then just storage, or what used to be a bunk, up there. So anyways, I'm going to be sleeping here. My son Michael is going to be sleeping there. My grandson Josh is going to be sleeping up there. And my youngest son Kevin, he's going to be sleeping in there. So anyways, we'll go back in. Here's the kitchen dining area right here. Got a nice little table set up. We do actually have a wood cook stove in here. And again, I apologize, everything's kind of messy right now, but we're getting things organized. And then you have the little kitchenette right there. Then they actually attached, that used to be the storage area. So they turned this into like a little kitchenette extension of the kitchen. So now you got a regular gas range right here, which everything all works. So you got cooking ability. And then over here, they've got a gas electric refrigerator. So we do have some refrigeration, as well as an electric refrigerator, which is not working at the time. Oh, there's my mother. Say hi, Mother.
Hi. Landed, and I'm getting ready to go fishing as soon as I get my bed ready.
There you go. Well, I'm going to walk in there, so if you don't mind, I just want to give them a show. Yep. Okay, and this is where my mother and my daughter, Amanda's going to sleep. So they got another double bed down there, and then bunk bed above. My mother's going to sleep there. My daughter's going to sleep there. And this is their little humble abode right here, which used to be Bob's cabin. This is where he would stay when this was just its own separate little cabin. Well, yeah. And as you can see now, we got gas lights. That's what they originally put in here. But now we do have a generator set up, so I do have some 110 lights in here too as well when we are running the generator. So, or firewood built up there. Plus I have it stacked inside. So anyways, let's walk over here, and this is the sauna right over here, and that's a wood-fired sauna. We'll take a walk inside there, kind of show you what that's all about. There's a lot of it's used for storage now, but anyways, there was a little bench for dressing. We got a pump there. Right back in there, that's the actual wood stove for the sauna. That's where you would fill it with wood. And then you walk through here, and here's the actual sauna. And there's the wood stove right there. You put rocks, as they got them on top there, so that you can throw your water on there to make the steam. And this is how we shower. They actually had a little shower set up with a pump right there. But yeah, sit up here and steam right there. And we'll walk down this little pathway here. And they actually built a nice little boathouse right up there as well. That's where they store the motors. They do have a four-wheeler in there, a little trailer. We'll take a peek in here real quick a second. So yeah, right here, all these motors right along here. And then they have a four-wheeler there, and all the life jackets and all that good stuff is all over there. So anyways, yeah. Little workbench. Lots of gas cans here too. Lots of gas cans. I'll take a walk down by the airplane dock. This is where the airplane actually dropped us off. Right there. Oop. Then we got Kevin and Josh actually trying to catch us some dinner tonight.
It ain't going well.
It isn't going well?
No, not yet.
Not tonight?
Not even a nibble.
Well, maybe we'll end up eating hot dogs.
Caught a stick. There we go.
Well, good luck, boys.
Yeah.
Catch us some fish, will ya?
No promises.
No promises.
No promises.
Understand.
Michael and Amanda out here because they're the master fishermen.
Yeah, well, they're setting up other fishing rods and stuff, and Michael and I are going to start getting the boats all set up. So, good luck, guys. With it, huh?
Not these old wrinkled bones. Fat.
You want to go on the? Why don't you try to go on the other side, Michael?
What?
Other side, so they can leave it, so they can fish off here. Or you want to?
There's a stick off there, so you should fish off this way.
Yeah, the best way to fish is going to be here Though what we can do is when we get motors on, we'll bring these.
We'll take them over there.
Yeah.
We're just putting motors on right now. Okay. I think I can probably give you a hand even though I'm filming. Let me see you maneuver the boat in. Maneuver the boat.
What'd you say?
Smile, you're on candid camera.
Oh, it seems so good to be back up here. Oh my gosh.
You just got to get used to the mousy smell inside the cabin.
Oh, that's mild compared to what I remember.
Okay, you guys got to work together here.
Yeah.
Why don't you grab that, Josh?
Look at that.
Perfect. That can be a good commuter boat. Take down to the...
This will be perfect for getting down to the.
Yeah, for getting down to the boat.
So do they have any shit in there? Or are they completely...
It's number 9.
Is this not the smallest one we've gotten?
No.
Oh, hey guys, it is dinner time. And yes, we actually went out and caught some fish. Yeah, doing a good job. And there we are at the table, just finishing eating. So we consider ourselves lucky that we were able to catch some fish tonight because we were all real skeptical. We didn't think we would. So anyways, we're just going to kind of hang out, relax, probably play a little cards or whatever, and we'll probably be hitting hay. We got a long day tomorrow. Get things set up at the other lake where we will be doing our walleye fishing. So